Hello, welcome to RP Podcast, and this is our first podcast. And we both of us will share our thoughts for 15 minutes every day. This is for practice and also improvement of ourselves. So, my name is Pinky, and tell me, what about you?
My name is Rani.
So, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. And guys, today's topic will be how to learn anything.
Anything new?
Anything new.
And how to start
Yeah,
to learn anything new?
because we are learning English, so we'll
And
focus more on English, and it could be anything for you guys, isn't it?
yes,
So we are learning English, and if I talk about how to learn anything new, so I feel you need to find a why. Why do you want to learn anything new, isn't it?
because I think it's a human nature or also universal nature to learn anything new or evaluate. Because uh, from Big Bang, we are on the journey to learn anything new. The whole universe also learning or improving.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
I was about to say that if anybody is learning anything new, they need to also find out why they want to learn anything new.
yes,
Because without why they want to learn, they will never find any particular focus or goal that why should I learn. So if I talk about myself, I am this in this world. It is important to learn English.
no, if anyone are not learning anything new, they are living same thing like their parent or already it's happened in the past time and they are doing same thing. But if anyone are learning new, they are very they can experience new things or learn more
Yeah.
or enjoy it as well. You can take an example and scientist or psychologist or philosophers. So what is different between them? Because they want to learn new. What is different to what is happening, like what is happening currently, like we eat, we go, we talk to each other, but we don't see what is happening behind this and what is the reason. So learning new
Yeah,
thing, it's
learning
very
anything
important.
new also sharpen our mind,
Yes,
sharp our mind, and to learn more and more. Anything if somebody is scientist and doing a little bit thing, they start doing a lot.
yes,
If
they
they,
effort
yeah,
and they are very active. They feel the things exactly.
yeah. So if you are learning anything new, your mind will be sharper and learn a lot more than you think. And learning anything new is really important for anyone.
Anyone, yes.
Yeah. So we are trying to learn. So it is not something new, but it is important. And for us, it is new to learn English, and we can express our thoughts and ideas a little bit. But we make a lot of mistakes. So if we are practicing every day, so we will improve our English, and it is new for us. So definitely, it will sharpen our mind. If we want to learn something new language, some new language or something new, we'll learn a really easy way. So you can share your experience. How are you learning and how you have learned, as you can express your thought in front of camera.
Okay, currently I am focusing on my English because for nowadays English is very important. If you want to any highest study, you cannot
Yeah,
learn your native language. So we have to need learn English. So it is
yeah,
important, and I want to achieve highest of possibility of my life. That's why I am learning English, and this is important for this era. And
yeah,
uh, I'm not learning this much that I will learn in a 2 month or 3 months, or it's very easy. This is not easy for me, or
It
I
is not. People say that English is easy, but English is not easy.
in
English is hard. You can
because
express your
English is
thought.
a language, not any.
Yeah, people say
Yes,
like you can learn in 3 months. No, I am learning for 3 years. Still I make a lot of mistakes, and also I am unable to come with great words or good words, exact words. I make a lot of sentence mistakes.
yes,
I don't know how to use a lot of things like phrasal verbs, or there's so many things which I cannot use right now. So English is a language and it needs practice. So we are practicing in front of a camera, and we'll talk about something and we'll learn something new, some topic. We will have a lot of deep understanding about some topic if we will talk regularly for 15 minutes, and we will improve our English a
yes. I think
lot.
we can improve so many
If
things,
anybody is,
because at the same point we are able to think
yeah,
any words and how to describe and how to say any. Sorry, I forget.
it's okay.
uh,
We will definitely come with good words if we will practice every day for 15 minutes. So it is for practice, and we can make mistakes. And if we are making mistakes and we are making mistakes, we can search and we can watch our videos and we can see and we can
yes, we
solve
can find a mistake
mistakes.
where we are.
And in future we will correct it. Like if we watch video our video today where I did mistakes and where I should say this word, definitely I'll come with that great word tomorrow, and we learn regularly day by day, and we'll improve in, I think, if somebody is doing for 15 minutes every day with great understanding, with deep thoughts, definitely they will learn in 6 months. But if somebody is not practicing as much as it requires to learn English, they will not learn. But if we are
If
practicing, will
anyone wants to learn anything new, anything, first, as we know, and as we all know, that first step is the practice.
yeah,
If you are able to do practice, you can uh, make
achieve
30,
anything. Yeah,
achieve 30% of your new journey, where whether you can learn new things, anything. You, it can be creativity, drawing, arts, or where you are interested, like music, singing, or anything else. So first we have to start,
yeah, if we are
and
learning
we
anything,
have to
we'll speak.
consistent on anything what is interested for, according to your.
Yeah, anyone can take a
Yes,
little bit gap in their life, like for 1 days, for 2 days, but
yes,
it
but
is okay. But if somebody is not being, so yeah. So we are continuing with our talk. We had a little disturbance, but anyways, so continue with our talk. So I was also talking about why anybody wants to learn anything. We see have a reason to achieve something big in her life, to be philosopher, to learn philosophy, and it requires to learn English because there are so many philosophers who only wrote in English. And if you want to
because
learn,
we know, as we know, so many philosophers, they are from Greek or Western side, so we need to know.
even Indian
Yes,
philosophers, they are
also
right in
wrote
English.
in the
Yeah.
English language. So if you are going to research very deeply and learn, so you need to, most important thing, first of all we have to know language, because if you want to learn anything, so we have to know language is very important,
Even if we are living in this era in 21st first century, we
because
have to.
language is a thing we connect to
and
each other, and we connect the whole world.
and English is very important because English now is an international language.
Yes,
Everybody connect with the English language. If you see somebody is making videos in Hindi, and that is their comes in English, that translates, auto translation is in English. You can find everywhere English. So, and if you are using phone, you have to learn English. And if you are in India, English is really valuable. And I am learning because I want to create content, and I'm also creating content in English. And I am from English background. I am pursuing BA in literature, English literature. So it is really important for me. So if you want to learn anything in your life, you can find your why. Why do you want to learn anything? Why do you want to be a musician? Why do you want to learn music or any instrument? Why do you want to learn computer? Anything you are learning, just find your why and you will definitely learn that. And it requires to find your why. And see, you already know about why C is learning, so you can take inspiration with us. We are not good at English, still we are speaking
As
in
we
front of.
all know, we don't speak at home English or anything.
Yeah, in
We
India
use
nobody speaks.
generally we use our native language like Bhojpuri, Marathi, or Urdu, or something Bengali. Or but when we are searching any job, or we are going to search, or we wants to become anything, engineer, doctor, or any employed things,
Yeah.
so we English is a very necessary and compulsory. Without English, I think for nowadays we cannot get a
Get any
job,
job
any single if you want to a shopkeeper, like, you cannot get a job because
without
of
English.
English.
Yeah.
Basic English required. They if you are going for interview, they will ask, do you know
They'll
English, basic English,
and
can you
introduce yourself in
yes,
English. So
in English.
mostly
So they
everything.
don't want to even listen your introduction in Hindi or your native language. So this is important, this is necessary for, if you want to earn. And you know, as we know, without earning we are nothing for this era.
Or for
And
this era, for any era, without
yes,
money, it is impossible to live on this planet nowadays.
uh,
We have to pay for everything, no matter what. You have to pay for your living. I know this planet is free, but still we have to pay for that. I don't know
that's a
why.
circle, and we
Yeah,
are in this loop, so we have to also follow the loop, because we don't
without
know
falling, we can't do it.
what is the behind it.
We can't survive even if we are going to be monk. We have to be understand the
Paid.
language. We have to pay at least learn anything. I mean, if you are on this planet, you have to learn on and pay for anything. So it is really important. And we were talking about learn anything new. So learning anything new is not really easy, but if you will do every day, it will definitely be easy, and it will sharpen your mind if you are learning anything new.
No, no, this is a first step.
Yeah.
If you want to learn anything new, first you have to think what is important, and why you are learning new, and what is the new. How can you say that this is new or old? But in your experience, if you didn't visit any other country, so if you are visiting for a first time, so this is a new thing, you can say. Just like we don't know English, but if we are learning English, this is new, new learning. So we have to find the reason,
Yeah,
and
that's what I'm also
what is
saying.
important according to you. What is
Yeah, what
important?
makes you
If I
interest?
will learn French, Chinese, Japanese, or so many languages, so that would be take so much time, and I think that that would be not beneficial.
So that's what I was also telling, that if you are learning anything new, find your why. Or if you are learning Chinese, it will not
Yes,
make
yes,
sense. If but for you, if it is making sense, you can learn. It is
yes,
very
yes. It's
easy
depend upon the situation,
situation and
and
your interest. If you are interested, you can learn anything.
yes,
So yeah, guys, we were talking about learn anything new, and you can learn if you find your why, and you can find your why if you are learning anything new. It will sharpen your mind.
yes,
So that's all for today's. Our thoughts have we have given our point of views on this, and I know that we are not fluent, we are not that much educated, but it's still we are trying to find our life and trying to make sense of our lives, and we'll definitely
we are
upload
finding
every
why.
day. And so I think our time is over. So
So
for today's, that's all. Like, if you like subscribe.
and share.
Thanks for
Bye-bye.
watching. Bye bye. Bye for today.
Bye bye.